Employee Appreciation Day.
What's this deal? What's like that?
Matt, we appreciate you.
Ooh, thank you.
Thank you.
Employee Appreciation Day, we love you.
You know what?
Okay, thank you.
Employee Appreciation Day, we love you.
Oh, hey. Can I take two? Appreciate it.
Oh.
We appreciate you.
Oh, I appreciate you.
Hey, get back here.
Oh,
we
man.
appreciate you too.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it very much.
Thank you. You're welcome. Fun dips. The fun dips.
Thank you.
We love you.
Oh, is it? Thank you.
We love you.
Thank you.
Jason, we love you.
You're welcome. Oh, thank you.
Awesome. We love you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Employee Appreciation Day, bro. We love you.
Oh, thanks. Love y'all too. Appreciate that. Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Love you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, you can have another one. Go for it. No problem.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
No problem, man. Have a good one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
You're appreciated. You're welcome. You're appreciated, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Oh,
Bruce,
no,
you're
thank
appreciated,
you.
bro.
No, thank you.
You're appreciated. I'll have the other one. That one fell on the floor. I have to eat that one. Man, you're appreciated, bro.
Thanks, man. Ooh, calling my name right here, baby.
Employee Appreciation Day. We love you.
You knew it. Thank you so much.
Love you.